Jade, come on. Come on. Somebody have fun. Look at the snow. Come on. Do you want the snowball? Go get it! Hiding. Silly girl. Silly girl. You silly girl. There's the camera. And she's eating the snow. Who's eating the snow? Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah. Come on, Jade. Come on. Jade, can you sit? Hey. Hey. Can you sit? Can you sit? Good girl. Can you shake? Oh, such a good girl. Give me another paw. Give me another paw. I don't want that one. I want that one. Can I get this one? Such a good girl. Can you lay down? Can you lay down? I don't want to shake. I want you to lay down. No. She says, I'm too busy playing, Mom. Somebody's happy about the snow. It's the golden girl. And this is the backyard. Jade, quit. Ow! And she's trying to thieve my gloves. What she does if I kick the snow at her. Look! Go get the snow! Go get that snow! Jade! Jade! Hey! Get it! Get it! Can you get it? Can you get it? Tell me. Oh, what's that? Hey! What is that? Get it! Get it, Jade! Get it! Get it! No bark? Get it! What is that? Get it! Get it, girl! Get it! Get it! Go get it, girl! Get it! What is that? What is that? She hears something. Usually I can get her to bark when I say that, but obviously she's not going to. Looking around curiously. Jay, what is that? What is that? Huh? She's like, Mom, what's going on? And you're circling with the camera. The snow all over your head. You silly girl. You silly girl. You silly girl. Quit eating it. Quit eating it. Quit eating it. Quit. You quit. You quit. Yes. Oh, good girl. She loves her mom. Get that snow off you. Mama's big baby. Run. I'll run. Get there. Come here, girl. Good girl.